My vision for the waste disposal is to dump approximately 1,000 liters of water in various locations around Vancouver. We'll be dumping the waste in different storm drains and sewers. The areas we have chosen are quite rural, and there's a good chance we won't get caught by the environmentalists, especially Josh. Tristan, I'd like you to get the waste ready for disposal right now, please.
Bling, 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 bling.
Hi, Tristan. Would you mind coming down to my office right now? Okay, thanks. Hey, boss, you needed me? Hi, Tristan. I called you because I'd like you to pack the waste and get it ready for disposal right now.
Okay, sounds good. Where should I dump this? Oh, this is like a good spot. Oh wait, do you hear something?
Young man! Do you know what you've just done?
No?
You're about to pour toxic chemicals into the ground that affect the aquifers and the fresh water that we drink. Eventually, the chemicals that you've poured in will hit the oceans and contaminate millions, no, billions of fish. Think that's good for the fish?
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, so don't ever do that again. Oh wait.
This diagram shows examples of poor waste management as well as better waste management. In the poor waste management, it shows an unlined pit for industrial toxic waste, which contains some harmful chemicals. After that, the toxic water seeps down to the aquifer by going to the landfill site. After the landfill site, contaminated groundwater can enter wells, which can enter our water system. Surface runoff contaminates crops, which starts destroying our food sources. And then finally, the polluted surface runoff enters waterways, therefore contaminating water. Now for the better waste management. Number 6 is incinerating toxic waste, which, although it doesn't go into the water, it can also create air pollution. Another thing we can do is inject waste between impermeable rock layers, which are so far down that they cannot travel anywhere. Encased landfills with impermeable liners work well too, because when they're encased, the water cannot contaminate anything else. Finally, monitoring well detects any leakage from disposal sites, because we can find contamination pretty quickly and we can fix it. This tuna looks wonderful. It's exquisite.
A few moments later.
Uh-oh, I don't feel good. I think there's something wrong with that fish I ate today. I gotta go to the washroom.
Green Man here, bringing you another PSA. You see, Luke ate a very contaminated piece of sushi. It was contaminated with mercury and lead from all the dangerous wastes that companies produce and dump into our very ocean. Green Man and out.
The following list of chemical symbols shows hazardous waste that should never be dumped into the environment. Explosives are, as you can guess, materials that explode. Flammable liquids are liquids that can cause fires. Oxidizing liquids are liquids that, when mixed with fires, can ignite it and make it more profound. Chemicals that are corrosive to metals or skin are chemicals that can leave acid burns and can eat away at our skin or metal materials. Acute toxicity is classified as any type of chemical that can cause cancer, known as a carcinogen, or long-lasting health defects. Flammable liquids pertaining to marine life are liquids that are very harmful, as they can kill lots of aquatic and marine life. The diagram below that shows long-term health defects are classified as anything that can cause an adverse health effect from long-term exposure. Possible effects are a skin rash, bronchitis, or even cancer. Gas under pressure is known as when gas is compressed into a cylinder, which can cause explosions and be harmful when opened up.
Hey, boss, you here?
Yeah.
So when I was dumping up the hazardous waste this morning, Green Man approached me and he explained to me why dumping hazardous waste into the soils was bad for the environment and why we should start incinerating.
So why should we start incinerating?
Because incinerating is better for the environment and doesn't contaminate the water and pollute our soils.
Sounds like a good idea. I can sign off on a proposal once you give it to me.
I think. Luke Lee, President of CEO Hazardous Waste Company, will you be signing these documents?
Most definitely. Significance of me signing these documents means that from now on, our company will only incinerate our hazardous waste. We're also working on developing biomass technology so we can convert the harmful chemicals into meaningful energy.